going to be showing you some artwork by Anto and Karina. There is a website that this artwork is selling, and I'm going to tell you the prices in the description, and I'll tell you them now. Okay, there's two different artists, Anto and Karina, and I'm going to be showing other websites in the description. Okay, so the first one is called Sailing by Fastnet Lighthouse. It costs €88 and it's not framed, and I'll show you right now. This is it. That's called Sailing by Fastnet Lighthouse. €88 not framed. If you can see that. If you can't see it now, sorry. Okay, so that's that one. That's just the first one. And the second one is called, so there is a Bunny Heaven. It's €110, not framed again. And I'll show you the link to the website that it's going to be selling it. It's a big, heavy one. Big, nice one. It's called There Is a Bunny Heaven. Hope you can see that because it's a big piece. It's nice. Okay, and that's number 2. Okay, both those were by Anto. You didn't know that. Put them over here. Okay, then the next one is going to be by Karina. It's called Fastnet Lighthouse Sailing. It's €122, not framed again. And she's already an artist. Let's see if you know her. She's an artist already. That's called Fastnet Lighthouse Sailing. If you like that. And I'm going to be showing that in the description. The next one is called Rockview Connemara. It's $99.69. It's non-framed again. $99.69 non-framed, but here we have it framed. Without the frame, it's $99.69. But with the frame, it's $120. If you want it with the frame, it is $120. And it's on the website again, and that is not framed, but framed $120. I remind you in the description. If you like that picture, you can see it. That's $120, not framed. Sorry, get mixed up. The last one we have today is called Daisies. It's $39.99 framed. It's a lovely picture. Little picture. Be nice though for a present. By Karina. Very nice. If you like that, please do look at them anyway. Don't have to buy anything. Okay, so that was it for today. We just showed you 5 paintings. I'll just quickly go over those paintings. First of all, the 2 by Ayo, like Anto. The first one. That's called the Lighthouse one. That's the Lighthouse. And the second one is the Bunny Heaven. There is a Bunny Heaven, you can spot that. And then I'm going to go back to this Karina. That is the Lighthouse. Framed the Lighthouse. Not framed. Then we have the Connemara. Rockview. Framed, remember, $120, non-framed, $99.69. Just get that in mind. And then there's the last one, Daisies, $39.99. Framed. And okay, that was them. And thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Just subscribe, like, comment, anything you want. Thank you for watching. Bye.